Special sound effects. Krishna, he says in some places, he says, so many people, the personified Vedas, the Shrutis, and the Devatas, Brahma, Indra, Shiva, they offer me so many wonderful prayers, stotrams and stutis, and they come down every afternoon around this time. This is Apurvan Lila, from 3:36 to 6 o'clock, when he's bringing all the cows back to the barn. And they come down and say, Om Tad Vishnu Param Param Sada Pashanti Suryo Jajiva Chaksur Tatam, and they chat all these kind of stutis. And I'm thinking, oh my God. But when I get back in the village and I hear the gopis, and when I hear the gopis of Braj, the gopis and the gopas, when I hear them just talking Gramya Katha, it is like music to my ears. And what I like the most is when the gopis are chewing me out. When the gopis are saying, you durt, you lumpat, and durt, lumpat, these are all like curse words in Sanskrit or Brajbhas. They say, you dirty man, you bad guy, you cheater, you lousy guy. And when they use all these harsh words on me, I feel like, oh, this is nectar to my ears. This is the sweetest song for my heart to relish. So I'm hearing this Braj Bhasha. This is Braj Bhasha. And I'm thinking, oh, maybe this is what... And Krishna, some gopis yelling at Krishna, you came into my house, you stole butter, you rascal, why you came into my house? I made that nice butter, and you broke the pot, and you ran all over my house with your dirty feet, and made a mess everywhere. And Krishna's like, oh yeah, more. So we have to think like this. This is all anukul. Everything in Braj is anukul for Krishna Bhakti, if you want it. If you want it. If you're here because you want it, you'll get it. But if you're here because you want something else, you'll get something else. Malaria, typhoid, a variety of other non-Krishna lilas. Various demons will come in the form of mosquito demon, muskasora demon, right? The mosquito demon.